Hey there. I've been reading about Libya's subdivisions recently, and it's fascinating how the country is divided into different regions. Did you know there are 22 districts in Libya, each with its own unique characteristics and cultural significance?
Absolutely. I find the diversity within Libya's subdivisions truly intriguing. The country's historical and cultural heritage is reflected in these districts, and it's essential to understand their significance to grasp the complexity of Libyan society. What districts have you been particularly interested in?
I've been delving into Tripolitania, one of the three historical regions of Libya. It includes the capital city, Tripoli, and several other important cities like Misrata and Zawiya. Tripolitania has a rich history dating back to ancient times, and its coastal location has made it a hub for trade and cultural exchange. I'm curious about the impact of this historical significance on modern-day Tripolitania.
Tripolitania's historical importance definitely influences its modern identity. The region has a diverse population, with a mix of Arab, Berber, and other ethnic groups. Its coastal location has contributed to a unique blend of cultures and traditions, making it a vibrant and dynamic part of Libya. Additionally, Tripolitania has played a significant role in Libya's political landscape, especially considering the presence of the capital city. The district's economic activities, cultural events, and educational institutions are all influenced by its historical legacy.
That's true, and Tripolitania's cultural diversity is further highlighted by the presence of ancient Roman ruins, such as Leptis Magna, which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. These archaeological sites not only attract tourists, but also serve as a reminder of the region's rich historical past. I wonder how these historical sites are being preserved and utilized in modern times.
Preservation of these archaeological sites is indeed crucial, not just for Libya, but for humanity as a whole. Organizations like the Libyan Department of Antiquities are responsible for their conservation. Efforts are made to maintain these sites and promote tourism, generating revenue for the region. Additionally, these sites are vital for research, offering insights into ancient civilizations and their impact on the development of societies. The balance between preservation and sustainable tourism is essential to ensure that future generations can also appreciate these historical wonders.
Absolutely. Striking that balance is key. Let's shift our focus a bit to Cyrenaica, another historical region of Libya. Cyrenaica has a distinct identity and a unique historical background, different from Tripolitania. The region is known for its ancient Greek heritage, with cities like Cyrene and Apollonia having strong connections to Greek culture. I find it fascinating how these influences have shaped Cyrenaica's identity over the centuries.
Cyrenaica's Greek heritage indeed sets it apart and gives the region a unique cultural flavor. The ancient Greeks established thriving cities here, contributing to the region's prosperity and intellectual growth. Cyrene, in particular, was a center of learning, philosophy, and arts during ancient times. The legacy of Greek influence is still visible in the architecture, art, and even local traditions of Cyrenaica. It's remarkable how these historical interactions continue to shape the region's identity and contribute to the cultural mosaic of Libya.
Absolutely. And Cyrenaica's natural beauty is equally noteworthy. The region boasts stunning landscapes, including the Green Mountain, Jebel Akdar, and picturesque coastal areas. These natural wonders not only attract tourists, but also provide a livelihood for the local population through activities like agriculture and fishing. I'm curious about the environmental conservation efforts in Cyrenaica, especially considering the importance of preserving these landscapes for future generations.
Preserving Cyrenaica's natural beauty is essential, not only for its aesthetic value, but also for the region's ecological balance and sustainability. Conservation efforts are in place to protect the diverse flora and fauna of the Green Mountain, ensuring the preservation of unique plant species and providing habitats for wildlife. Coastal conservation initiatives focus on maintaining the health of marine ecosystems, promoting responsible fishing practices, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity. These efforts, coupled with ecotourism initiatives, contribute to both environmental preservation and the local economy, creating a harmonious balance between human activities and nature.
It's great to hear about these conservation efforts. Now, let's talk about Fezzan, the third historical region of Libya, which is known for its vast desert landscapes. The Sahara Desert dominates Fezzan's geography, presenting both challenges and opportunities for the people living in this region. I'm curious about the nomadic traditions of the Tuareg people in Fezzan and how they have adapted to the modern world while preserving their cultural heritage.
The nomadic traditions of the Tuareg people are deeply rooted in the history of Fezzan. Despite the challenges posed by the harsh desert environment, the Tuareg have adapted their way of life to modern realities. Many Tuareg families have transitioned from traditional nomadism to settled lifestyles, engaging in activities such as agriculture and trade. However, they continue to maintain their cultural practices, including intricate craftsmanship, music, and storytelling. Efforts are being made to preserve their unique cultural heritage, ensuring that future generations can appreciate and learn from the Tuareg traditions. Additionally, initiatives focusing on education and healthcare are helping improve the overall quality of life for the Tuareg community in Fezzan.
That's inspiring to hear how the Tuareg people have managed to preserve their cultural heritage despite the challenges they face. It's evident that each of Libya's subdivisions has its own distinct characteristics, reflecting the country's rich history and diverse population. Understanding these subdivisions and their unique qualities is essential for appreciating Libya's complexity and the resilience of its people.
Absolutely. These subdivisions are more than just administrative divisions. They are repositories of history, culture, and traditions. By exploring and appreciating the nuances of Tripolitania, Cyrenaica, and Fezzan, we gain valuable insights into Libya's past, present, and future. It's crucial to continue learning about these regions, fostering dialogue, and promoting cultural exchange to strengthen the bonds among Libya's diverse communities. Through mutual understanding and respect, we can contribute to the peaceful coexistence and prosperity of all Libyans.